to my channel. If there's one thing you guys know about me is that I always have like munchies and I have such a crazy sweet tooth, and because of that I've created this recipe to help me during the week every time I get munchies. So basically what I do is make some little snacks enough for a week, and every now and then when I have munchies I have something healthy like to snack on. So today I decided to make chunky peanut butter banana bars, which are going to take me for the whole week and help satisfy my sweet tooth. So throwing away food is really bad, so I'm going to use these ripe bananas that I don't want to go to waste. Normally when I'm baking I don't follow any kind of recipe, so I just add ingredients together just to suit my craving. So if you want to see this particular recipe, I'm just going to leave a link in the description box down below so you can get the full recipe. And for vegans, you don't have to use an egg for this recipe. Basically, I've seen in other videos, I'm not vegan, but I see most vegans, what they do is use make a flax egg, which basically you soak a teaspoon of flaxseed and about 1.5 teaspoon of water, keep it for 5 minutes, and there you have your flax egg. Also for the sweetness, I'm only using bananas, but it depends on how much sweetness you want. Basically you can just add honey, maybe sugar if you're the kind of person that has sugar, but I don't, so I just use the bananas. Also, one thing that's really important is you have to make sure to keep tasting, of course, because if you have a sweet tooth, the butter tastes sweeter before baking it, and after that it doesn't taste so sweet. So if you have a sweet tooth and you taste and you think it's not so sweet, you might consider adding a sweetener. So I personally love chocolate, so it only makes sense that I use dark chocolate chips just to be a little bit healthier, but you can typically use whatever it is that you're craving at that time. Is it dates, fruits, raisins, nuts, whatever it is, your cravings are the limit. So for this recipe I actually made 12 bars, but it all depends on the sizes that you cut. I made a few small sizes, enough to have like 2 a day, but you can typically make as many as you want. And voila, it's ready. You have to let this cool for about 10 minutes before you cut it, but after that's done, yeah, it's ready. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe if you want to see more healthy recipe videos, and ring the bell right next to it to be notified the next time I upload a new video, and also because it supports my channel. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.